Today I'm working on my 1993 Volvo 940, and the issue I'm having is the AC compressor isn't coming on. I do have power at the fuse, and I do not have any power at the low pressure switch. So I pulled out the climate control unit to check for a common problem that I've found on these units. It's pretty straightforward on how it comes out of the car. All you really need is a couple screwdrivers. There's two metal tabs that block the lower holes here, and you just have to bend those out of the way. It'll wiggle out. There's not a lot of the room with the wiring and the vacuum hoses, but just pull it out enough so you can access those, pop them off, and it's out. What you're going to do first is take out these two Phillips head screws. Then you can flip it over, and I don't know if you can see these little metal tabs here. Those hold this plastic cover in, so you just have to pry all four of those out of the way. Then this will pop off. There are four screws holding the circuit board in. And now you can remove the circuit board and check the pin on the AC compressor relay. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. This one is just slightly cracked on this pin right here. On the last one of these I did, the solder was just completely drawn away from the board. You could easily see that it was making a bad contact there, but all you have to do is flow some new solder onto the board and your AC compressor should start kicking on. I hope this helps you out. Please like and subscribe if it does. Thanks for watching.